Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 20th of August 2014 market review. The trade for today is called SAB Miller. The code is SAB. Last traded price was R585.75. The action here is to buy long, means you want to buy from the bottom to the top. Entry level is R584.45. So if it breaks the dotted blue line, you can go to the high on the green of approximately R621.73. Please use the stop loss regards to the newsletter of the level of on the red line of R565.81. These are all current open trades: Mondi, Richmond, FirstRand, Vodacom, and African Rainbow Minerals. Looking at the top 40 end of day index chart, the blue line is the index price. As you can see, double top there. Currently coming down, testing the 5-day dotted moving average level and the 20-day moving average level there as well. Let's go look at the Dow Jones Industrials. Now, Tuesday evening they closed 80 points higher, and this was Monday's close. They actually closed here above this level of 16,874. So the pattern on the reversal head and shoulder played out beautifully. Next high could be tested here close to the 17,000 points. Currently the futures are about 8 points negative. Today is a big day for the Americans. The Federal Reserve Bank will have a meeting later this afternoon. So let's see how the market will react. They don't expect big news to come out, but let's see how the reaction will be on later day trading. The J200, that's the top 40 index, still moving in this upward channel, but upwards, still testing the top of the 21-day moving average. If I call up a Bollinger Band here, it's testing the middle of the Bollinger Band, still in a small upward channel, moving upwards here. Looking at ShopRite, bad results came out. Worst growth in 6 years, and that had an immediate impact on the share. It actually fell almost 7% to 11 Rand yesterday, coming down in this green and purple downward channel. Woolies also came down, falling at 77 Rand. At a stage was at 76 Rand. Still in the downward pattern here between the green and the purple line as well on the Bollinger Bands. Calling up the moving averages, it's trading under the moving averages at this time. Looking at Mr. Price, Mr. Price is still going to a sideways pattern here, very stable here, close to the 196 levels, trading at 196. And we need to see if this is going to start to break down or test this level and break up. Looking at your indicators, they're quite low at this moment. We could see most probably some support here at current levels. Stochastics also breaking up, and your RSI very, very low, testing previous average lows here. The MACD, the black line is the 21, 12, 26 movement, still trading under the green line at this moment. Let's go to the banking shares. Still in a sideways pattern, no big movement there. Standard Bank got support as expected on the previous lows here, but still trading between the green and the purple on the Bollinger Bands, a bit of downside. Looking at the indicators trying to push up here, but not a convincing movement as yet. Stochastics a bit lagging, still showing a bit downwards. The RSI is still picking up, and the MACD is still trading under the green line in the short term. Let's go and look at MTN. The MTN is just breaking new highs at this moment, non-stop, 1-2 Rand up in a day. Very, very high at this moment as well. Vodacom started to break up yesterday, almost 2 Rand. Currently trading 128.47. It's above the 127.43. Looking at indicators breaking up here, we need to see if this is just a temporary breakup. Regards to the indicators, there is a breakup testing the previous average highs here. That is from Stochastics. RSI also testing previous highs. We need to see if it's going to go further up or starting to come down a bit. The MACD, looking at the black line, is trading above the green line, so there might be support here for a bit of a relief going higher above here to the 131 levels in the short term. Looking at Imperial, still trading between the lows here, of 189, 192, sorry, to the level of 201. Not big movements. Kumba, we spoke about Kumba getting a bit of support here at the bottom. No real movement upwards as we speak. Looking at indicators, we need to see if they're gonna break up. I will wait for this minus 80 on the Williams on indication if there's most probably a support for a bit of a breakup happening on the specific share. RSI also getting support here. Now CFR, let's look at CFR. Sideways pattern breaking up through the green line. The next question is, could it go back to the 105 rand level from a level of 103? That is my next high level to be tested. Enjoy your trading and best luck for today.